Hi friends, my name is Madhur and I just thought that I should start a travel blog, and this is my first attempt to do that. Today we are going to Bormio, one of the Italy's fascinating place in the mountains in the Alps, and you might not have heard about it because normally when people come to Europe they go to Switzerland, they go to Paris, they go to Spain, Barcelona, Milan. Even if you come to Italy, what do you think? You think about Rome, you think about Florence, you think about Venice. But these amazing places to relax are really stunning. You should think about it. So next time you come to Europe, you should consider these places. So I will show you off the mark places which doesn't come to your mind when you press in the internet buttons. When you press in the Google, you write in what things to do in Italy, you see Rome, Florence, but you don't see these places. But these are amazing places. So let's catch up, stay with me, and we'll bring you there.
I will run, I will climb, I will soar. I'm undefeated. Oh, jumping out of my skin, pull the cord. Yeah, I believe it. Oh, the past is everything we were. Don't make us who we are. So I'll dream until I make it real, and all I see is stars. It's not until you fall that you fly. When your dreams come alive, you're unstoppable. Take a shot, chase the sun, find the beautiful. We will glow in the dark, turning dust to gold, and we'll dream impossible. Possible. And we'll dream impossible. I will chase, I will reach, I will fly until I'm breaking out my cage like a bird in the night. I know I'm changing it into something big, better than before. And if it takes 1,000 lives, then it's worth fighting for. It's not until you fall that you fly. When your dreams come alive, you're unstoppable. Take a shot, chase the sun, find the beautiful. We will go in the dark, turning dust to gold, and we'll dream impossible. From the bottom to the top, we're sparking wild fast. Never quit and never stop the rest of our lives. From the bottom to the top, we're sparking wild fast. Never quit and never stop. It's not until you fall that you fly. When your dreams come alive, you're unstoppable. Take a shot, chase the sun, find the beautiful. We will go in the dark, turning dust to gold, and we'll dream impossible. Possible. And we'll dream impossible.
Hi friends. So this is our first morning. We are here at Bormio. So what to do in Bormio? Another question is that, right? So you have two options: go for ski, or you can go for natural hot springs where you can relax, you can swim, you can have massages, you can have all the wellness services. Even my hotel have these wellness services on site. You can choose all the 4-star hotels here, and they all have these wellness services on site, but the wellness services plus the swimming pools with natural hot spring waters are amazing here, and they are famous. So it's better to go for those hot springs rather than having it in your hotel on site. However, you can choose the wellness services like massage and spas and everything in hotel if it is cheaper than that. But it's always best to go to the professionals in those professional centers. Okay, so you can do this in Switzerland. So someone may argue why in Bormio. Okay, first thing, you can have the same stunning view in Bormio that you will see in Switzerland. Same natural beauty, closeness to beauty, and then you can have the ski. But why Bormio not in Switzerland? So in Switzerland, you must go in Switzerland. It's a stunning place, happening place. You can have your pictures, but what you do all the sightseeing, but normally you do not relax. Okay, you come to Bormio to relax, to have these services that those services in Switzerland are very, very expensive. You can have these services with very less price. Come to Bormio, relax for a week, go for ski, have lessons with a very less amount of money than Switzerland. Then you can go for the hot spring pools, having spa, having massages with very less price. So all this for your own comfort. You can go for sightseeing everywhere, and Bormio is not very far from Switzerland. In fact, it's the border of Switzerland. It's in the north of Italy, in the Alps. These are Alps, and we are at Alps at the moment, so this is a part of Alps. So you are just other part of Switzerland. So you are here in Italy, very close to Switzerland, and Saint Moritz is not very far from here. So what you can do, you can go around Switzerland, have your pictures, have your sightseeing. Then for comfort, you take the Treno Rosso, which is slow train in summer. You can see all the stunning beauty of nature, cross the Alps, come to close to Bormio, and then you can take another public transport to come to Bormio, or rent a car, and in Bormio you can have all this relaxation. So come to Bormio to enjoy this relaxation. Okay, the price is very, very cheaper than Switzerland, and you can experience the same comfort. Okay, and what to do in hot springs? So you have here very famous hot spring that is called QC Terme. Terme means thermal pools. Okay, this QC Terme have two kinds of pools, so Bagno Vecchio and Bagno Nuovo. So Bagno Vecchio is the old set of pools with the same hot springs with rich in minerals, but Bagno Nuovo is new sets of pools with modern facilities. You can choose either of them. Okay, they are open in the nights as well, but you may have to make some reservation before you would like to go there. So book your reservation early, not to have any disappointment at the last moment. Okay, then if you have family, what you can do, because kids are not allowed in these pools, what I told you, QC Terme, the kids are not allowed until 14 years of age. So if you have family, what are you gonna do? So I have a kid at 4 years old, so of course we cannot go there. So we will choose another hot spring, which is called Bormio Terme. So Bormio Terme is open for all kids and all adults. It's not exactly as great as QC Terme, but it's also good. It's not bad. So if you have kids, if you have family, if you would like to go all together, you can go in Bormio Terme. Let's see you there. So those are the ski routes. So you can see here in the video, you can go from here with the ropes. Wait a minute. Yes, in this road you can go with the ropeway up to the hills here, and then you can ski with these roads coming down. So they are ski routes, amazing ski routes, maintained well, and the services are good and very less expensive. So you can always consider the classes for ski if you don't know how to ski, and it will take, however, a week to become at least the beginners level, and you don't need to do it from the top to the bottom. You can do in horizontal places for fun, and that's really amazing. Hi. So this is a stunning view, breathtaking view from the top of this Bormio Therme. You can still see the ski paths, ski routes behind me. This is the rooftop, so you can enjoy your lunch, your snacks here as well. There are restaurants inside, not very expensive, quite reasonable, and so you can see the beauty here. The experience when you stay outside of the pool with -1 and then half your body inside the pool with more than 33 degrees Celsius, it's amazing. So, and it's relaxing as well. There are constant heating of the pool, and the water contains minerals, so it's a bit dense water, so you feel a little bit floaty when you go inside, and you can feel the salt as well. And although there are some treatment of the water, because it's a pool, it's still not 100% natural, but if you can go, or if you book a reservation in QC Therme, there you can see the real therme, real springs. You can enter to the real spring. That's why they are not open for kids. It could be dangerous. The extra amount of salt could be dangerous for the kids. So if you are a couple coming for your honeymoon and would like to be relaxed in a stunning place, in a beautiful place, please consider Bormio as well. Hi friends, we are at Bormio 2000, that means Bormio 2000. It's famous for ski. You can see the ski routes there. You can go from these ropeways all the top there, and then you can come back while doing the ski. They are Olympic routes and they're very famous. Guess me how much I pay for the rent of ski and shoes and helmet. €5 only. I pay the same thing in Switzerland, €50 per hour. I bought it for my son, just €5 everything, all total. The shoes, the helmet, and the skis. Everything only €5 per day. I'm pretty much sure for adults it will be not more than €20. So it's a good deal. It's a good deal. And the charges per hour are €46 for teaching you how to do ski. And I asked them how much it will take to know how to have a beginner's level, and they say that if you do 2-3 days, one or 2 hours each, it will be fine to do some fun. So that's great. That's great. If you have time, if you come for a week, it will be a very good experience. You can do it here, not very expensive, and it's fun. It's something new you're gonna do in your life. See you. friends. So you have experienced Bormio, the northern part of Italy, a small city. And the intention of the video is to let you know the less known places as well as stunning places in Italy and in Europe. So next time you come to Europe or you make a plan to come in Switzerland, because it's very close to the borders, you can always consider Bormio as an option for relaxation. So there are the information I have provided might change with season to season. I cannot guarantee the prices, I cannot guarantee the services will be the same. So please do your check before coming to these places. There are websites available. I have given you the name, so if you put in the Google, you can see the recent facilities, recent new updates, and also any change in the prices. Okay, so please enjoy. I am not endorsing any of these places. Actually, I'm not getting any endorsement from them as well, so my intention is just to let you know. And what it says, समझदार को इशारा काफ़ी है. So I know you will make it happening, and do your research and enjoy. Let's stay tuned with me to see some other beautiful places in Italy and Europe. I will let you update.